Hi guys, welcome to our channel Adobo with Garam Masala. If you are new to our channel, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.
So how to make your video gain more views and likes with small follower. You can see in my TikTok account at Adobo with Garam Masala that I only have 4 followers and 48 likes. I uploaded my video and checked it after 3 hours and found 777 views. I checked it back again after a few hours, and from 777 views, my views became 1,140. The third time I checked it, from 1,140, my views became 2,006. So how did I gain views with only 4 followers? First, I choose the trending sound and effects. In my video, I choose Arivan Arivan. It's a soundtrack of the famous movie Bahubali. Second, be creative and unique in your videos. In my video, I uploaded an old video of my son that is matching to the sound I choose. Third, choose the right cover photo. Choosing the right cover photo will make the viewer curious and will watch your video. Fourth, don't forget the hashtags. In this video, I used hashtags related to it and some hashtags that was often used. Fifth, just enjoy it and the rest will follow. As of now, my followers increased from 4 to 23 and from 48 likes to 272 likes. My uploaded video have 7,306 views and counting. Here is a sample of our TikTok video. Thank you for watching.